guys, today we're doing a step-by-step on how to make chocolate chip cookies.
Yay!
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
I'm super excited too. So we're gonna tell you the steps first, and the steps are to preheat the oven so it's ready and hot.
Ready?
Yep. Grab all our ingredients.
First ingredient is cookies.
Yeah, grab all of our ingredients. Wash our hands because our hands need to be clean. Then we make the cookies and then we bake the cookies. And those are the steps, and then after that we get to enjoy it. So come join us.
Enjoy it.
Look so excited.
Yes,
All right, so the first step is to preheat the oven, and I'll show you how to do that, okay?
Okay.
Guys, make sure you have a parent or guardian helping you, right?
Yay.
All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hit the word bake. So you can hit that word, and it says bake.
Where there's a B?
Yeah, where there's a B, correct. And then we want it at 350. Okay. So it has to say 350. Does it say 350?
No?
What?
Okay.
Does it
yeah.
say?
Oh yeah, 350.
And then we hit start.
Start.
There we go, and now it's gonna have a countdown, and then it'll beep when it's done being hot. So let's do our other steps, okay? All right, so step number 2 is to grab all the ingredients. So right now we have the cookie mix,
Cookie mix.
right? And what does it tell us we need in this picture, right? In this corner.
And this.
No, up top, right here where my finger is.
Eggs
An
and
egg,
butter.
Egg and butter. So we gotta grab 1 egg and a stick of butter. So come on, let's grab them.
Yay.
Grab the egg and the stick of butter.
Okay, eggs right here.
So get 1 egg.
1 egg.
Okay, and then grab that stick of butter right there.
Whoa.
Okay, now let's close this. We could put all our ingredients up here. Be careful with the egg.
Yeah, maybe.
And then we could start with the next step.
Yay.
So step number 3, we have to wash our hands. Our
Wash
hands
our
can't be dirty, right?
Yeah.
So grab some hand soap
Hand soap.
and let's wash our hands. I'll help you with this. Let's wash our hands. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Yeah, let's wash some hands.
Wash.
Get in between your fingers. Yeah. All right, you're washing your hands. I'm gonna wash my hands next, and then we can move on to step 4.
Yay!
We did with step 1, step 2, and step 3. Step 4 is to make the cookies. So let's make the cookies. First thing we could do is we could drop in the stick of butter. Do you need help?
Yummy.
Okay, and what you could do is just put it over here and just hold the peel. Yeah, and it should fall in. Yeah, just like that. Good job. Shake it, shake it. Shake, shake, shake.
A little more.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake that groove thing.
You do not.
That's a lot of butter. All right, next step is to crack the egg, and that's Emy's favorite part.
Yes, correct.
So crack the egg. Make sure to get no shells in there. We don't want to eat no shells.
Yeah, we don't want to eat no shells, right?
Emmy's good at cracking eggs. Ooh, that's perfect. Now you can throw out the shell, just toss it in the trash. Perfect. So we have the 2 ingredients, and all we need is the cookie mix. So let me help you open that because
Yeah, help me.
that's a little tough. All right, we have it open now, and Emy Girl's gonna dump in the mix. Dump it in, dump it in, dump it in.
It smells so good already.
Oh, sorry, I hit your head.
It smells so good already.
Ooh, okay. And then the next step, we just mix it in, right?
Mix.
So our hands are clean, so we can mix it in with our hands. And we could just mix it, mix it, mix it.
Mix.
Mix
Oh my
it.
god, it feels so good.
Yeah, mix it. You gotta combine the egg, the butter,
Yeah.
and the mix.
Crunchy butter.
You just cracked the egg too. Now the yolk's everywhere.
Ew.
Oh, it does smell good, you're right.
Ow. It's so cold.
What does it
now.
feel like?
It feels cold and it feels like activator.
Like activator?
Yeah.
That's so silly.
Oh, it feels so good. It feels so squishy. I wish I could just eat it already. It smells so good already.
It does smell good. The oven should be done soon, I think.
Look at my
Oh, there it is. It's done.
It's done.
Come on, let's mix it so we can put the cookies in.
Mix.
Mix.
Let me crack that butter.
Put your elbows into it.
I just smashed the butter.
Ugh, I see it.
Does
Does it feel like kinetic sand?
feel like I don't even know. Like this, it looks like cheese.
It looks like cheese. It does a little bit.
It looks
All right,
like-
so let's keep mixing. So Emy Girl pretty much did all this by herself. She mixed it in really good.
Nice job.
And what we usually do is I like give her a little piece and then she does balls. She's so good at making the little circles. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we always do this.
All right, so I'm gonna give her a piece and then she can roll it.
Roll it in.
Roll it, roll it, roll it.
Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it.
You gotta come up with a song.
Let's roll the cookie dough. It's going in. It's going in. Roll the cookie dough. Roll it.
Yeah, I like that song.
Roll the cookie dough.
Let's see it. Let me see. You see, look how perfect that is. She makes like perfect balls. So I'm gonna give her another one.
Thank you. Let's make this big daddy. Let's make
That's so silly.
daddy. This is a big daddy one.
All right, you can put that one down.
Okay, next to this one.
Yep, that's fine. We'll give her another one. And guys, we're just gonna fast forward this part. We're just gonna keep going. We made 6 so far. We rolled 6 so far. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the oven, right?
Put it in the oven.
Right?
Let's
Yeah.
put it in the oven.
And the package says 12 to 15 minutes, so we're gonna wait like 13 minutes.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put a timer. So let me put this in the oven first. Make sure you have a parent or guardian put it in for you. I'm gonna do it because it's hot. And then we're gonna put a timer. So I'm gonna put a timer for 13 minutes. And there it is. Where do you see it? Oh, there it is. It's counting down. And we're gonna wait. It's gonna sound off, and then we're good.
And then we're good.
And then we gotta let the cookies cool down a little bit because they're gonna be really hot when they get out, and then we can get to enjoy them. So stay tuned to see the cookies.
Yay!
All right, guys, the cookies are done. We also let them cool down already. Here are the cookies. They look so good. They smell so good. All right, let me grab you one. Look at the cookie. It looks so good. Here, try it. Eat it, eat it.
That's so good.
Is it? Can I try this one? Oh, it is so soft. So that's how you bake cookies, and we're gonna go through the steps again, okay?
Okay.
So the first step was to preheat the oven, right? So we made sure the oven was hot. And then step number 2 was to grab all the ingredients to make the cookies. The next step was to clean our hands.
Okay.
Step number 4 was to actually make the cookies. So we prepare the cookies and we roll the dough, shape it into a ball, right? And then we eat the cookies and we get to enjoy the cookies because they're so yummy and so soft. And I'm drooling just staring at Emy. That's so
Don't
good.
burn my finger off.
I almost did, right? That's a good cookie. So hopefully you guys found this fun. And it was easy to follow the steps. Thank you guys.
Bye.
See you next time.
Peace out.
Peace out, Girl Scout.